सर क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे, यहाँ आप आए, यहाँ की वाइब आपको कैसे लगी?
मुझे यहाँ की वाइब बहुत ही खूबसूरत लगी, उससे ज़्यादा एनर्जेटिक लगी, क्योंकि यहाँ पर इतनी मोहतरमाएँ हैं जिन्होंने मुझे बहुत सारा प्यार दिया है, और मैं दंग रह चुका हूँ। पर मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि मैं जितना प्यार मैं वापस दे सकूँ मैं दूँ। और we're here at the Wild Stone. It's because of them that I'm here today. और there's a long, it's just the start of our relationship, and I hope that Wild Stone and me go on for a very long time together. So thank you very much कि आप लोग भी आए, आप लोग ने भी वक्त निकाला, और मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ। और थैंक यू।
इवन ऐसा फेस्ट जहाँ पर आर्टिस्ट और इन्फ्लुएंसर एक साथ मिलते हैं और लोगों को कुछ ना कुछ मैसेज मिलता है, ऐसा फेस्ट कितना ज़रूरी है?
आई थिंक लोगों को मिलना ही बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, आर्टिस्ट हो या नॉर्मल या आम आदमी हो। मुझे लगता है कि एंड ऑफ द डे वी आर ऑल लुकिंग टू क्रिएट समथिंग ग्रेट, समथिंग पॉजिटिव फॉर द वर्ल्ड। तो ऐसे फेस्टिवल्स और होने चाहिए, जितना भी होगा हम सब के लिए अच्छा है, मेरे लिए अच्छा है, बाकी लोगों के लिए अच्छा है।
जैसे कि आपने कहा कि आपको प्यार मिल रहा है, वैसे हीरा मंडी से भी आपको काफ़ी प्यार मिला है, लोग आपको नेशनल क्रश का भी टैग करें, तो इस पर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
इस पर मैं अपनी मम्मी और पापा को धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा कि उनकी वजह से जैसे मैं दिखता हूँ उनकी वजह से है। पर अगर मेरे परफॉर्मेंस के ऊपर है तो मैं ये अपने दिल से रखता हूँ, और मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि ऐसे ही परफॉर्मेंस मैं देता रहूँ और प्यार मुझे मिलता रहे। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
ये आपकी को आर्टिस्ट का उसी के साथ सोनाक्षी सिन्हा जी का शादी होने वाला है, उनको क्या विषय?
सोनाक्षी सिन्हा वो तो बहुत अभी होने वाला है ना। आई लव सोनाक्षी सिन्हा, और मैं उनको बस ढेर सारा आशीर्वाद, ढेर सारा प्यार और एक बड़ा सा गिफ्ट देना चाहूँगा।
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू।
रोल है सबका। सो ब्रदर, फ्लिपकार्ट ग्लैम अप के मौके पर हम सभी यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है। आप जहाँ भी जाते हैं बहुत ही प्यार मिलता है, आपको आपने स्टेज पर देखा। सो बताइए कि कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस एंड क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे फ्लिपकार्ट ग्लैम अप के बारे में?
बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत मज़ा आया। सेटअप काफ़ी ग्रैंड था, लोग बड़े खूबसूरत थे और लोग बड़े ही अच्छे थे। काफ़ी अच्छी तरह से चेयरअप किया उन्होंने, और काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हैं। नए नए प्रोडक्ट्स देखे मैंने, काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं जो मुझे अभी सीखनी बाकी हैं, अपने स्किन केयर के बारे में, चाहे फ्रेगरेंसेस के बारे में। मैंने रीबॉक के फ्रेगरेंसेस लॉन्च किए अभी। सो बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखनी बाकी हैं, बट धीरे धीरे सीख रहे हैं।
As a celebrity, I see so many people, tagging, and it's leading to a lot of promotion for the brands. As a celebrity, as an actor, how much pressure do you feel to put up these reels? And of course, it's also lucrative. But as an actor and as a celebrity, how do you feel the pressure, or you feel it's a great tool?
देखिए, ऐसा था कि आज से 6 साल पहले चीज़ें ख़रीदनी पड़ती थी, अब फ्री में मिल जाती हैं। तो अगर कोई इतना प्यार दे रहा है तो हम क्यों नहीं उसी प्यार को दोबारा और बड़ा करके दें। सो आई डोंट माइंड इट एब्सोल्युटली, एंड इट्स इन फैक्ट एन ऑनर दैट दे सी दैट वैल्यू, दे सी दैट मेरे टैग करने से कुछ अच्छा ही होगा, और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है। एंड आई थिंक इफ़ आई कैन कंट्रीब्यूट टू द ब्रांड्स मोर एंड मोर, आई बी always up for doing it.
But do you feel the pressure to put up reels like other actors?
No, I'm a good looking guy. Why would I shy away from showing my face?
हाल फिलहाल में कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो आपने खरीदी हो और आपको बहुत ही पसंद आई और आपने खरीदी?
देखिए, जो चीज़ें पसंद आती है मैं ख़रीदता नहीं हूँ। मतलब मुझे ख़ासकर चीज़ें जिनका प्राइस होता है वो मुझे उस तरीके से पसंद नहीं आती। जो चीज़ें मेरे पास हैं या जो लोग हैं मेरे पास, वो चीज़ों को मैं ख़रीद नहीं सकता, उनको बस प्यार और मोहब्बत से रख सकता हूँ। और जो चीज़ें मैं ख़रीदता हूँ वो कोई ना कोई यूटिलिटी होती है उस चीज़ की। बट ऐसा मुझे कोई क्रेज़ नहीं है कोई चीज़ ख़रीदने का जो कि मुझे पसंद है या उसके वो मुझे चाहिए, ऐसा कभी मेरा था ही नहीं ज़िंदगी में। ऐसी तो कोई चीज़ नहीं है, जो कुछ नहीं है ऐसा।
Some pictures, please.
Flipkart Glam Up 2024. Right from creating waves at the Cannes Film Festival to, of course, where we're looking forward to Love Ki Arranged Marriage. It's always about love with Avneet. बचपन से लेके इतना प्यार उन्होंने।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
गुड टू सी यू अवनीत। आप जहाँ भी जाती हैं, लाइक आपके फैंस आपके पिक्चर का पोस्टिंग का बहुत ही बेसब्री से इंतज़ार करते रहते हैं, डे बाय डे। मैं आपसे पहले भी बात कर चुका हूँ कि आपकी जिस तरह से पॉपुलैरिटी बढ़ती जा रही है। एंड फ्लिपकार्ट ग्लैम अप फेस्ट के लिए यहाँ पर आप आई हैं, क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? एंड प्लीज़।
थैंक यू सो मच पहले तो फॉर योर काइंड वर्ड्स एंड बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ टू लॉन्च दिस फीचर विद फ्लिपकार्ट बिकॉज आई थिंक पर्सनली जैसे मैंने बोला भी और मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड थी स्टेज पे क्योंकि एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है, हिंदी में बात करूँ इंग्लिश में?
यू कंफर्टेबल हिंदी में ही बात कर सकते हैं।
एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे आप इजीली चीज़ें ट्राई कर सकते हो अगर किसी का मन नहीं है शॉपिंग करने का या डोंट वांट टू गो आउट समवेयर यू कैन जस्ट लाइक स्विच ऑन टू योर फ्लिपकार्ट अकाउंट एंड यू कैन easily try on outfits and create a whole look with your outfits and you can try on makeup, you can try on clothes, shoes, every accessories, everything you can try on. And also the fact that people get so influenced by influencers and celebrities nowadays. So you can actually create, if they share the links with you, you can actually create what they are wearing. You can have the same stuff for yourself as well because people love to do that. And that is a huge thing. I feel that's going to change the market completely. Yeah.
Avneet, we just want to know what does it take for you to decide who you are going to collaborate with, because there's a whole business sense to this industry as well. So how do you take this business decision? Like, who are you collaborating with as an artist? Because you're associating a name and brand.
As an artist, when I'm talking about clothes or as an actor collaborating with different people, like what do you
As
mean?
an actor collaborating with these brands like Flipkart and more.
Okay, so I feel it's amazing to be collaborating with Flipkart, especially because they've come up with something completely unique. And I personally, myself, I love experimenting. I'm a person that experiments with my style, my outfits, everything. So I think that's what they have done, and I love people and I appreciate people that do that. So I would love to congratulate the Flipkart family for this, and I would love to be a part of the Flipkart family as long as it is.
As you said
Thank
about
you.
shopping, as you said about shopping, तो आप जब आप शॉपिंग करने का सोचते तो ऐसी कोई 3 चीज़ जो आप सबसे पहले आपके माइंड में आती है?
जैसे कि हमने स्टेज पे भी बात की कि बेसिक शॉपिंग क्योंकि हर आदमी करता है, हर इंसान को होता है कि कोई बेसिक शॉपिंग करे, तो वो भी आप इधर कर सकते हो इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे, जो मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. तो मेरे लिए तो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है बेसिक्स का शॉपिंग करना. जैसे एक मेरे पास अगर एक बेसिक वाइट टी शर्ट है, एक बेसिक रिप्ड जीन्स है और एक बेसिक जैकेट है, तो मैं कुछ भी उसके अराउंड क्रिएट कर सकती हूँ. और अगर और बेसिक वाली चीज़ों के बारे में बात करो तो फिर बहुत ही हो जाती है, पर ये 3 आई थिंक इसके अराउंड आप अपनी एक आउटफिट क्रिएट कर सकते हो.
लास्टली कैंस के बाद हम कौन से ग्लैमरस अवतार में देखने वाले हैं अवनीत जी को?
ग्लैम तो कभी ख़त्म नहीं होगा. ग्लैम और ये फैशन तो कभी ख़त्म नहीं होने वाला. आई लव टू स्टाइल माई सेल्फ, आई लव फैशन, आई लव एवरीथिंग अबाउट फैशन. तो अभी तो पहले यही बोलना चाहूँगी कि मेरी एक फ़िल्म आई है लव की अरेंज मैरिज ZEE5 पे, तो आप प्लीज़ वो देखिए जाके. उसमें बहुत सारे ग्लैमरस लुक्स आपको मिलने वाले हैं.
इवन आपने एक और क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहेंगे, जैसे आपकी मूवी का नाम है लव की अरेंज मैरिज, तो आप सबसे ज़्यादा कौन से मैरिज पे बिलीव कर रहे हैं?
आपको पता है मैं ये इंटरव्यू कब से दे रही हूँ और यही सवाल मुझे एक हफ्ते से परेशान कर रहा है. सबको मेरी शादी की इतनी क्यों पड़ी है यार? अभी रुक जाओ थोड़ा, अभी टाइम है काफ़ी.
तभी होगा तो
यार आई पर्सनली बिलीव इन लव मैरिज, बट अगर पेरेंट्स की ब्लेसिंग्स के साथ एक लव मैरिज हो तो वो अरेंज्ड भी हो जाती है और लव भी हो जाती है. तो ऐसा कुछ हो जाए तो सही है, बढ़िया है. नहीं हो तो फिर रोएंगे बैठ के और क्या.
Thank you so much. I never leave any gift. But guys, from what I understood, you are going to make our Indian Janta more lazy. This is what it looks like. Means you touch it, you wish it, it's here in a few minutes.
Exactly. We want to really ensure that your flexibility, convenience is at the top.
Convenience and flexibility and laziness is going to increase, guys. This is what we are doing. Flipkart has a plan.
Yeah, and whatever you want, everything you'll get in minutes. That's what we are here for.
No getting up from the couch. Matlab now if I need to gift something to my friend on birthday, I don't even have to make an effort to go and shop. Matlab my friend will feel कि इतना भी नहीं किया इसने मेरे लिए. Now I'm just sitting and swiping and selecting.
That's
Maybe you can tell the friend that you put in the effort and secretly swipe it.
Yeah, my finger is putting the effort.
Absolutely.
yeah.
Or Flipkart is putting the effort for you.
Yeah.
We are here for your convenience and delight.
All right, Flipkart. I'll tell you if the friendship survived this or no later.
I think this is just want to tell you that we are coming out with an amazing offering. Just wait, tune to this, and you'll see a lot of announcement happening in this space. Thank you.
Thank you, Tashi.
Thank
you enjoyed the gift that you ordered for yourself.
Thank you so much. I enjoyed and I'm amazed and I'm still like trying to understand you people are going to make our lives very easy and lazy very soon. But congratulations
you.
for yet another feather in your cap, and I'm sure it's going to get bigger and bigger from here.
Thank you. Thanks for all this.
Thank you, yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Firstly, please give it up for Tapsi. Hemant and Rashmi, thank you so much. Wow, what an incredible conversation we've had. And did you like the surprise? Did you like the surprise? Surprise with the surprise, first of all. Like, this is actually going to happen in life for real very soon. That things, whatever you're going to order, which you have to really step out and select, are going to be there within a few minutes. I'm still trying to seek that in.
Tapsi, I've got to tell you, Flipkart is your new genie.
I think, yeah, that's what I'm going to call it now, the Flipkart genie.
Absolutely! Thank you so much, guys. Please give it up for them one more time. Yes? Come on, make some noise, make some noise. Thank you for joining us. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right, stay tuned. We have so much more coming up, and now you can catch Tapsi, and she's walking around.
Ladies and gentlemen, what a huge honor to have with us a supremely gorgeous, stunning and talented actress, Taapsee Pannu.
नहीं सुंदर बुलाते हो उनको
Sundar actress Taapsee Pannu. We do congratulate her, of course. And at the same time, she's won hearts all across the world with her inner beauty. And we are truly overwhelmed and elated. And on behalf of Flipkart Glamour 2K24, we will.
I think because glam ka matlab, it's not like you have to add on a lot of things. You just take care of yourself well enough to look glam. And I at least feel the way you carry yourself is also a big part of being glamorous, and hence I always thought I am, but if you say so, if you insist, I'll agree.
Yes, and we love you. Friends from the media, please,
Yes.
your questions.
यस
हाँ जी.
तो सुंदर जी सबसे पहले तो बताइए कि फ्लिपकार्ट ग्लैम अप फेस्ट के बारे में क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगी आप स्टेज पे देखा
मैंने ये रियलाइज़ किया है कि इन्होंने ना भारत की जनता को और लेज़ी बनाने का ठान लिया है कि अब तुम्हें कुछ नहीं करना है, अब तुम जाके दुकान में शॉपिंग भी नहीं करोगे, तुम सिर्फ अपने ऐप पे क्लिक करोगे और वो कुछ ही मिनटों में तुम्हारे घर पहुंच जाएगी वो आइटम. तो अब मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा ये हमारा ईज़ ऑफ कंफर्ट है कि ये हमारे को और लेज़ी करने वाला है. तो ये तो बहुत बड़ा और एक्साइटिंग एडिशन है फ्लिपकार्ट ने जो किया है. अब देखने में मज़ा आएगा कि जनता कितना यूज़ करती है इसको.
बिल्कुल. सो क्या कुछ शॉपिंग करने में क्या कुछ बिलीव करती है ऑनलाइन एंड
शॉपिंग करने में बहुत बिलीव.
हाल फिलहाल में जो आपने जो शॉपिंग किया है
बहुत हाल फिलहाल में मतलब फेवरेट सब कुछ, परफ्यूम से लेके हेयर केयर से लेके स्किन केयर से लेके, आई थिंक आप एक लड़की से पूछ रहे हो वो भी इस इंडस्ट्री में जो है, तो मतलब मैंने तो कोई कैटेगरी छोड़ी नहीं होगी शॉपिंग करने की. हाँ, वही एक वाइस है मेरा कि मैं बहुत शॉपिंग कर सकती हूँ. अपना मूड ख़राब हो तो भी अच्छा करने के लिए शॉपिंग कर सकती हूँ. ऐसा भी होता है मेरे साथ कभी कभी. पापा को मत बताना.
आपको क्या पसंद है, इत्र या परफ्यूम?
सही ऑनेस्टली तो परफ्यूम. और कुछ
और ऐसी तीन चीज़ जो आप शॉपिंग जब करने जाते सबसे पहले आपके माइंड में आता है?
ग्लैमर से रिलेटेड बोलूँ तो मुझे अलग अलग तरह के हेयर केयर प्रोडक्ट्स कलेक्ट करने में बहुत मज़ा आता है, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि कर्ली हेयर एक ऐसी कैटेगरी है जो आसानी से नहीं मिलते हैं प्रोडक्ट्स, और जो प्रोडक्ट्स मिलते भी हैं वो मुझे ट्राई करने में मतलब समझ में आएगा कि ये वर्क कर रहा है मेरे बाल पे कि नहीं कर रहा है. तो वो एक बहुत लिमिटेड रेंज होती है. तो मैं सबसे एक्साइटमेंट मेरी होती है देखने के लिए कर्ली हेयर रेंज में किसने क्या निकाला है. सो आई शॉप दैट अ लॉट सबसे पहले तो. रेनी सीजन में रिगार्डिंग फैशन जो भी मेकअप करोगे वो धुलने के चांसेस बहुत हैं.
तो फिर एक काम करो, मतलब स्किन केयर पे ध्यान दो ज़्यादा मेकअप से रेनी सीजन के अंदर, मे बी नेक्स्ट सीजन में विंटर में उसके बाद मेकअप कर लेंगे, ठीक है? हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
हम आपको किस अंदाज में देखने वाले हैं, सुंदर या क्या?
अभी हसीन आ रही है, फिर आई हसीन दिलरुबा एंड खेल खेल में। ये इस साल ये दोनों पिक्चरें आएंगी, बहुत ही मतलब डिफरेंट दोनों चीज़ें। एक रोमांटिक थ्रिलर है, दूसरी आउट एंड आउट कॉमेडी है। खेल खेल में आउट एंड आउट कॉमेडी है, सो बहुत ही डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ फिल्म हैं दोनों, और वो बहुत मुझे लगता है कि पास रिलीज़ होने वाली हैं, जिस हिसाब से रिलीज़ डेट्स आ रही हैं। तो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड के ऑडियंस दोनों को कैसा रिएक्शन देता है। एक तो नेटफ्लिक्स ओरिजिनल है, दूसरी थिएटर में आएगी।
इवन तापसी आप 10 साल से ज़्यादा इंडस्ट्री को दे चुकी हैं।
हाँ, माय गॉड,
14 इयर्स।
सडनली मुझे एंटीक फील हो रहा है। हाँ बोलो। 10 साल इंडस्ट्री को मैंने दे दिया। हाँ, उसके बाद ज़्यादा दे दिए। ओके फिर
तो इस चीज़ को आप किस प्रकार देखते हैं, मतलब जब आप स्टार्टिंग की थी और अब जहाँ पर आप?
या जिसने ऐसा कोई बेंचमार्क बना के मैं आई नहीं थी, तो मेरे लिए सब कुछ बोनस है। मैंने नहीं सोचा था कि एक दिन ऐसा आएगा कि मैं ऐसे इतनी मतलब मीडिया से खड़े होकर मेरे को सुन रही होगी, वही बहुत बड़ा बोनस है मेरे लिए। अगर मैं सोचती हूँ कि 10 साल 11 साल पहले मैंने क्या सोच के इस इंडस्ट्री में कदम रखा था, ये सब कुछ बोनस है मेरे लिए।
Even also everyone is waiting for your one look
ब्राइड लुक। चलो वेट करते थोड़ी देर और। मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं है कि मैं करूँगी ऐसा कुछ ब्राइड लुक का रिवील या ऐसा कुछ, मैंने कुछ सोचा नहीं है। बहुत ही सीक्रेट नहीं, प्राइवेट पर्सनल एक इवेंट था, तो मैंने ऐसा कोई उसका प्रेस रिलीज़ करने का अभी तक सोचा नहीं है। जब दिमाग में कोई आइडिया आएगा तो सबसे पहले आप लोगों को पता चलेगा।
Tapsi will request them for one more time. Yes, you look amazing. You look amazing. But everybody, can we do a dance with Abhi right now? Yes, yes, yes. You want to see it, right? Jay and Nishant, do you also want to get in there? Come on, a little bit, a little bit. Come on, can we have the music again? You stayed away from it. So
should be dancing.
All right.
Thank you so much. That was amazing. Thank you so much. That is actually the track of my film that has just come up. So I'm glad that they played it. But yeah, it was fun. Thank you. Thank you so much.
And you were awesome. Look at your energy and vibe. Isn't she amazing, everybody? Yes?
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so I'm going to leave 3 of you to it. They're going to have a very interesting conversation you don't want to miss. So give it up for them one more time, everybody.
Hi, Avneet.
Hi.
Absolute pleasure to have you here on the Flipkart Glamour event. Someone glamorous like you endorsing the event really means a lot to us. Thank you for coming here.
That means a lot. Thank you.
So I've been following you for quite some time and seen your journey and Cannes. It is amazing, right? Being the youngest Indian actress to go to Cannes and represent Indian community, I think it's amazing. How did it feel for you?
First of all, thank you so much for having me here, for inviting me here, and I'm so glad to be part of this forum. It was an amazing journey, it was an amazing experience, it was unreal, and I can just say that it was a dream come true moment for me. And I'm really happy to be here, to be talking with you guys, and yeah, that's it.
And I believe being the youngest Indian actress to be there must have been a lot of pressure. How do you look? How does it feel, right? And everyone's looking at you. So how did you go about so many different looks that you created? What helped you? How did you go about it?
So it was like a collaborative effort of me and my stylist together. We wanted to create something different, something unique. personally I love experimenting with my looks and my style. I can't do the same thing again and again. Like, I love experimenting. So I think that was something that we wanted to do, but at the same time I wanted to keep my personal touch to it as well, where I also feel comfortable in my clothes and I feel like myself. So yeah, and a lot of people were asking me questions after the Cannes that where are these clothes from, what are the brand names, we want to know, we want to buy this jacket that you're wearing, and all of these questions were popping up. BB, right now also people are asking me that, so I'm glad that people loved it. I'm really happy about it.
Yeah, that's in fact a great segue to introduce the next feature I want to talk about, which is actually called the looks feature. So very often actually, I mean, we see our customers on our platform after any big event, maybe it's like a red carpet look from Cannes that they have seen and have been inspired by, and they're like, hey, I really want to recreate that on myself and see how I look, right? But many times they're not able to because they don't know exactly what was the brand, the product that was used, and even if the product is clear, they don't know the specific shade of, let's say, lip gloss or anything that has been used. In our search query logs, we see it a lot, right? After big events, we will see a lot of queries appearing in our search logs that are like, hey, Avneet's red dress from...
Where is it from?
Right, we are all about creating delightful new experiences to answer the needs of the customers, and we took up the challenge on ourselves, and now we have launched this feature called Looks. So it's about a curated celebrity look where the exact set of products and brands you can reproduce on yourself with a single click. So you discover a product, for example, on a product page that is part of a curated look. You can not only just try on that particular product on yourself using the camera of the device, using virtual try-on features, but you can also try on an entire look, an ensemble of everything that was used to create that look. And we also allow people to customize on top of that. They can say, okay, this looks great, but maybe for my skin tone, I may want to change the shade a little bit. I want to try a slightly different product, so it's not exactly that one, but something else. So, and all of that stuff, right? I mean, beauty is a very inspirational category, right? A lot of people actually get inspired by what they see others create, and they want to experiment, and they want to try something that is authentically their own self, but at the same time inspired by what they see elsewhere, and that's why we have launched this feature called Looks. A lot of platforms have a feature where you can try on, for example, a particular product on yourself using the camera, using augmented reality feature. But this enables you to try on an entire ensemble and be able to mix and match and customize and all of that. And I should talk a little bit about like how much effort goes into doing something like this, right? So, for example, recreating the exact shade, for example, of lip gloss. I'm sure just in the color pink, there are probably like 100 named shades that people will know, right? So we work very closely with brands. We get the exact hex color code of the particular shades, calibrate our cataloging monitors so that the exact shade is represented in a realistic color when you see the catalog imagery, and all of that. That's a small part of what went into building a feature like that. There is a lot of AI features that have also gone into virtual try-on features. You can analyze your skin tone, for example, to get suggestions on the shades that will work best for you, and so many cool features. I hope some of you have been able to try it out in the tech experience zone that we have set up. If not, I would encourage people to go try it out as well.
I think that's insane. I mean, Flipkart's new features are amazing. Like personally, I feel like after hearing this and after trying it, I've tried it before, I've tried the lip shade thing, but after trying these outfits, I feel like I don't need a stylist anymore, yeah? Like, I mean, like I have my stylist right at home 24/7 on my fingertips, like okay, I can just like check my phone, okay, okay, I want to do this, I want to wear this outfit, I want this lip shade, and I want to do this hairstyle, or I want to do something like this. I can create the look on my phone itself. And the fact that it's so accessible, easily accessible for everyone, and everyone can use it, and it's so easy to use. So I feel like, yeah, definitely, like I do not need a stylist anymore thanks to Flipkart.
I think that sounds really fantastic, and I'm sure our users would want to really try on a lot of these features
Yeah. I can talk about a couple more as well. For example, one of the things we are now deeply investing in is how do you bring the power of videos to a platform much more deeply, right? So because it's an inspirational category, people don't make purchasing decisions by reading lots and lots of text. They don't want to look at catalog specifications to make purchasing decisions, right? So we said that we want to deeply infuse very, very high quality, rich media imagery on the product pages. We want to be able to show complete videos, auto playing on product pages, and give realistic rendering of how a particular beauty product looks across different skin tones, different lighting and colors, and so on and so forth. And that is something that we have invested in deeply as well, which we call as videoification of our purchase funnel. Not a very glamorous name, I know, but it is.
But a glamorous feature indeed.
Absolutely. Thank you.
So I just have a few questions. So what about for people like us, like celebrities or influencers? What if we want to get into this? Like, what do we do?
Great question, Amneet. We know that our Gen Z audience especially really craves social interactions, real-time connectivity to the celebrities that they follow, and they really value authenticity. Right? If you go and just see a traditional ad that is posted on social media by brands, right? People don't feel that it's very authentic. It doesn't connect with them. It doesn't speak to them, right? So, but if it's a celebrity that they really love and they're following that celebrity influencer, they're much more willing to listen to them, try things out. So that's why one of the things that we have launched, we call it as a Vibes feature. And what Vibes does is create a space on our platform which is entirely driven by influencer content. It's about images, it's about videos. You can get your followers on the platform and be able to introduce new products to them, inspire them with the things that you have discovered, hidden gems that you have discovered. That's something that's seeing already a lot of traction from our consumers, and we are very excited to start opening it up to our influencer community as well. The other thing, like if you look at, for example, live shopping, this is something that has taken off in a really big way in so many parts of the world. In India, it's still a very nascent ecosystem. It's like in many other countries, up to 20% of all online commerce in certain categories happens through live commerce. So as the market leaders in India, we want to bring these sort of innovations in country. So we launched a platform called the Lives platform. Earlier we have been using it only for what we call as tentpole events, basically our Big Billion Days and other such really large shopping festivals as it were, right? And for example, many of our Big Billion Day price reveal videos, product launch videos get more than 1 million concurrent viewers for some of these videos. Now what we are doing is to get the same Lives platform for day-to-day shopping as well. We are introducing a lot of properties where influencers can engage their audience on a daily basis, introduce new products and do live shopping, and a lot of interactivity built into it, and so on and so forth as well. We have even tried, for example, in the past with very innovative new features like allowing the ability for customers to bargain the price when they are interacting and chatting.
No way, bargaining is also happening. Wow, girls, can you listen to this here, please? You have to get on this right now. That's amazing.
I think it's great there that now influencers can harness the power of Flipkart, reach out to the customers. Tell us more, what more is there for influencers here?
Yeah. So the other big thing that we are launching as we speak, we are calling it the Flipkart Affluencers program. It's kind of a portmanteau of affiliate program and influencers. We are calling it as an Affluencers program. So all of the influencers, celebrities, all of you have significant amount of following on the platforms where you post content, right? It may be YouTube, it may be Insta, it may be any other platform where you're engaging your audience. We want to be able to give you a way for using our product catalog. We will give you, for example, early access cheat sheets for new product launches that are coming, deals that are going to come on the platform, etc. So influencers can be ready, prepare their videos and be ready to go when the product drop happens. And be able to engage the audience and of course monetize, right? So we have launched this with partners. These partners are around as well, so any influencer who wants to check out how it works can go sign up with the partners and learn more about the program and get going. In fact, we did a soft launch of this just about a month back. Signed up basically maybe about, by now it would have been about 1,500 influencers who have already signed up. And they posted, I think on last count, a few days back, about 5,000, 6,000 videos. And we have already generated about close to 50 crore impressions.
Oh, that's huge. Congratulations.
Thank you on these videos. And we think that influencers and celebrities are a very important part of the ecosystem for, especially for these inspiration-driven categories. And we want to deeply partner with all of you and really grow the market, develop this category, and we would love to have Flipkart be the platform of choice for customers to be inspired, discover new products, and we will continue working with all of you to develop this property further.
Amazing. That's a great news for all the influencers and celebrities out there. I think this is going to be like a huge platform now. So congratulations to you guys for already being so successful, and I hope that this continues, and I'm a part of your family as well.
Of course. Thank you.
All the influencers do check out the Flipkart Affluencers counter that's there exactly. I think it's going to be massive, something that you can all use and build your story on the platform.
And of course, needless to say, there's a QR code above. You can scan that as well to directly go to the pages where you can get more information about the program and start signing up.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for sharing these details, because we are very excited for what's coming up next in Flipkart, and this is exciting news. I have give it up for them, everybody. Come on, make some noise. Yes.
Thank you.
You know, by hearing everything you guys were discussing, I have to say that Flipkart is ready to flip all of you, because the future is absolutely amazing, right? Okay, everybody, thank you again for joining us here. Thank you so much. Thank you, and Ishan. Ladies and gentlemen, with this, we have these amazing guys who have entertained you, spoken so much about what's coming up next, and now we'll bid an adios to you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bangalore. Okay, guys, tell me more about the song.
No, we're just really grateful that we got to do this, because it's such an iconic song, and we loved recreating it. And of course, we were directed by Farah ma'am, and she is a Bollywood legend, a choreographer, and to be able to shoot with her and perform with her.
Well, such an iconic song. I think everyone in the 90s remembers the iconic Mr. Akshay Kumar moving to it. And all these years for us youngsters to get our first opportunity, and that to moving to such an iconic song, was a really special moment. And we've had bath like cool and happening. A lot of fun for us.
Absolutely, it looks like fun. It looks like so much fun. I'm sure all of these guys agree, yes?
Guys, did you all like the song?
You're wearing the shades and we see it.
What about you?
It was a great experience, yeah, and whatever we are doing right now is just for you guys. And I hope you'll have seen the other songs as well. Yes? Yes? Which is your favorite song till now? Express? Yeah. Sony?
Okay, how about this? How about we take some votes and see the loudest noise, huh? How many for Ish Wish Pyar Pyar? Make some noise, we love it! How many for Sony? Make some noise! Okay, and now for this rocking awesome one.
How many for Gore? I think Sony is, no?
Definitely.
प्यार में.
चोट दिल पे लगी guys.
Oh, what about चोट दिल पे लगी? So many songs you've forgotten about. Romantic?
All songs.
All songs. That's my brother there, bro. That's my brother.
You're the man. You're the man.
अच्छा ऐसे मतलब देखो आल्बम के बारे में बोला था उनको सेल्फी लेना था, राइट?
He wants to say something about the film. सेल्फी तो मिल जाएगा, लेकिन ये मूवी ऐसा है ना जिसका नाम ही एक इमोशन है. तो इन लोगों की तरफ से मैं बोलता हूँ प्लीज ये मूवी 2 बार 3 बार, 1 वाली 2 वाली जितनी वाले के साथ सबके साथ देख लें.
अच्छा तो जो करंट है एक्स है सबके साथ देख ले.
एक होता है ना देखो, पहली वाली होती इश्क, दूसरी वाली विश, प्यार ब्याह चलता रहना चाहिए.
ओए क्या बात है, इसको मेरे पैसे दे दो.
सर आप हमारे साथ चलो प्रमोशन के लिए, आप बहुत अच्छा प्रमोट करते हो. थैंक यू ब्रो, थैंक यू, बिकॉज ये सॉन्ग ही इमोशन है जो मैंने बोला चोट दिल पे लगी. थैंक यू मैम.
Yeah, you know what, they will come down. आपने इतना promotion कर दिया, they will come down for you. But it's... Okay, let's have a great selfie. Okay.
Thank you.
All right, thank you for joining us. You know what? Before we close this, I want to hear from you, your sweet voice as well. How excited are you for the movie and the song?
The movie, it's like a dream come true, and I would just want to thank each and every one of you for giving us so much love. You guys are incredible. Thank you for giving the song love. Thank you for giving all the songs love. And I hope you give our film as much love on the 21st of June. Looking forward to you all watching it. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much. Before that, everybody, आपके पास चश्मे हैं. Please wear them. What we're going to do is, we're going to take a lovely selfie with everybody with the chashma. Okay? Do you have chashmas? I like your twinning, huh? Very cool. Chashma. Good? Chashma. Ready? Okay, can we have somebody on the stage taking a selfie with us? Who's coming on stage for this? Camera guy. Yeah? Let's all sit down. You know, I want you guys to be in the center and we sit down. Everybody got to make that noise. And yeah, let's sit because everybody else will come. Put your hands up, everyone. Okay, we're going to stand. Everybody? Yeah, well, you need that little space probably for everybody. Everybody put your hands up. I want you to give me a yeah! All right, make some noise, everybody. One more time. This is going to go online. A video coming up. I want you to put your hands up on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, let's go! Wow. I'd like to say that you guys just raised up the heat in this room. Thank you so much for coming to the Flipkart Glam Up Fest 2024 and making this such an exciting one. Thank you for joining us. And now, look at the fans. They're all ready for you. These guys are all yours. Let me see how they're going to escape you guys. All right. All right. Let's go. Thank you so much for joining us here. And congratulations,
Flipkart Glam Up. Welcome. Congratulations. Please
माइक पे आ जाइए, माइक पे. चलो आओ खिंचाओ. अरुण खिंचाओ.
What a huge honor to have all of you here with us. Thank you so much because you're all with love personification.
Absolutely. It's always really nice to be a part of events, you know. It's always really nice to go out and be able to promote your film, meet your fans. So yeah, very happy.
Yep. Yeah, what about y'all? You guys, how are you guys
I just feel live interaction is one of the best mediums to understand how the audience loves you. And I think we were great enough to get a lot of love right now. So it's just a very, very sweet feeling, and I hope we continue getting that kind of love.
I definitely need to mention this to all of you कि आप चारों ने ना, और जो आपका गाना है ना इश्क विश्क प्यार व्यार, सोनी भी और अब से काला चश्मा भी, लेकिन न सिर्फ
गोरे मुखड़े पे
काला चश्मा, बिल्कुल न सिर्फ हमारे दिल तक बल्कि रूह तक छू गया है इश्क विश्क प्यार व्यार. So while we are sleeping, while we are awake, it is just in our minds. Do you want to do one step for everyone, for our friends from the media, especially here? So let's do. Come on, everyone, please join us.
Okay.
Any one step.
Should we just? I don't think I can fully dance because I've
Just
ankle
one
my
step,
sprain.
just one step before we go to the question. Yeah.
The hook step.
Should we play the music then?
Yeah, we
Without
just sing,
music?
Ishq Ishq Pyar Pyar, that's it.
Okay.
5, 6, let's go.
इश्क विश्क प्यार प्यार इश्क विश्क प्यार प्यार Thank you.
Lovely. Thank you. Another question from the media, please.
थोड़ा माइक के पास हैं, सब
जी।
क्लोज आ जाइए।
और क्लोज और जी।
देखना तो सबसे पहले तो फ्लिपकार्ट ग्लैम फेस्ट में आप सभी का स्वागत है।
Thank you. Thank
कैसा
you.
रहा एक्सपीरियंस? हमने देखा बहुत ही वार्म वेलकम मिल रहा था आप लोगों को स्टेज पे, एंड ट्रेलर को वार्म वेलकम मिला है, गाना लोग बहुत ही पसंद कर रहे हैं। तो बताइए कि इस ग्लैम फेस्ट में कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस आप लोगों का?
सर प्यार तो बहुत मिल रहा है, आपने बिल्कुल ठीक कहा, और वी आर वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बिकॉज द ट्रेलर ड्रॉप 2 days ago एंड वी हैव रिसीव्ड लॉट ऑफ लव फ्रॉम एवरीवन। आज हमारा जो नया गाना है उसके लिए भी बहुत बहुत प्यार मिला है हमें, and we're so excited because it's actually a song that we really loved shooting. And Farah ma'am, of course, the genius with Badshah. So yeah, we're very very happy, sir.
Yeah. Firstly, it's a very big opportunity for us to be performing to such iconic songs, and also having such lovely songs that are original, made for us to dance on. So it's a big opportunity for us. And then on top of that, when we interact with the audience and get to see their reactions to it and see how excited they are and the amount of love they are giving, it is just like the icing on the cake that's already so delicious and sweet. Yeah.
I think fashion का क्या है वो बदलता रहता है, लेकिन certain things always remain the same. And I think we have taken that essence in गोरे गोरे मुखड़े पे काला काला चश्मा, पुराने ज़माने का fashion, आज के ज़माने का तड़का. So it's the right place to promote our film, our song, and I hope you all give it all the love that we in fact put into making it.
सर ब्रदर, जैसा आपने कहा कि हमको इतना प्यार मिला अभी बाहर, तो हम उसी के लिए कर रहे हैं जो कर रहे हैं सर। मतलब वी वांट द ऑडियंस टू लाइक अस, एंड आई थिंक हमारी कोशिश हम जैसे जैसे कर रहे हैं, जैसे जैसे दिन नज़दीक आ रहे हैं और अच्छा लग रहा है, नर्वसनेस भी बढ़ रही है। एंड आई जस्ट होप जैसे जैसे हमारे गाने या टीजर्स जो भी ट्रेलर ड्रॉप हुए, आप लोग वो भी प्यार दे एंड हम आपको एंटरटेन कर सकें ऑन द 21st of June इन अ थिएटर नियर यू।
इवन उस तरफ गोरे गोरे मुखड़े पे काला काला चश्मा जो पुराना वर्जन था उसमें अक्षय कुमार सर
जी,
तो उन्हीं का रिक्रिएट करना, मतलब उन्हीं के सॉन्ग का रिक्रिएट करना कहीं ना कहीं ऐसे चैलेंजिंग रहता है कि लोग
सर वो तो म्यूजिशियन के लिए होता है ना, वो तो अभी एट दिस पॉइंट
परफॉर्म करना, क्योंकि लोगों के दिमाग में एक अक्षय कुमार सर का डांस और उनका जो स्टेप था,
जी
जो स्टाइल था वो रहता है
जी।
फिर उसी को रिक्रिएट करके आप लोगों जो प्रेजेंट किए हैं वो कितना चैलेंजिंग था कि
मैम इनफैक्ट चैलेंजिंग या प्रेशर से ज़्यादा तो इंस्पिरेशन था ना वो। व्हेन वी ऑल वॉच्ड इट वी लव्ड इट सो मच, हमने वो देखते हुए हम बड़े हुए हैं। और बादशाह सर ने इतना अच्छा गाना बनाया, फारा मैम ने इतनी अच्छी कोरियोग्राफी की, जब भी गाना बजता था वी ऑटोमेटिकली स्टार्टेड डांसिंग। तो आई डोंट थिंक प्रेशर कभी फील हुआ, इनफैक्ट वी वर वेरी वेरी हैप्पी टू डू इट।
And it's more like a tribute than us trying to compete. We're giving it a tribute and adding our own flavor to it, you know.
Absolutely.
एंड लास्टली आप लोग एक दूसरे में सबसे ज़्यादा ग्लैम अप किसे मानते हैं?
हम
इन्हें देखिए,
लग रहा नहीं है सर,
देखिए इन्हें,
लग रहा नहीं है ऑरेंज कैंडी।
There's any question about it.
Thank you sir, thank you so much, thank you for having us, thank you.